Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm working on a classic Supor induction cooker. The fault is common, only a few buttons are working, and the rest are completely unresponsive. When I opened it, the amount of dust inside was incredible. The owner was ready to throw this away. But high-quality cookers from 10 to 15 years ago are often better built than new ones today. In this video, I'll show you my process for replacing all 13 Tact switches, deep cleaning the board, and my secret to soldering them perfectly flush for a responsive touch. Saving these old machines is what professional repair is all about. Let's fix it.